Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your sleep score using the Oura Ring 4. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the Oura app and make sure that it's paired to your ring, and then we're going to go to the main menu, so the today menu, and click on sleep. And here you have all of your sleep scores, or all of your statistics, so you can check, for example, the total time of sleep, total time in bed, your sleep efficiency, and other stuff that's down here. So that's about it. You can track today, you can track other days, but you need to let it get tracked first. So your first sleep analysis gets tracked, and then it starts the process. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.